In this video, I will be reviewing and discussing Base44 versus Bubble.io. So if you're choosing between Base44 and Bubble.io, you're deciding between AI-powered back-end abstraction and a full visual no-code app builder. Both let you build real web applications without a traditional engineering team, but the way they approach building and control is very different. So let's break it down clearly so you know which one actually fits your workflow. So let's begin with the similarities, and the first one that we have is no traditional coding required. Both platforms remove the need to manually write back-end code or configure servers from scratch. You're not dealing with raw infrastructure, deployment pipelines, or DevOps setup. That significantly lowers the technical barrier for non-technical founders and small teams trying to launch quickly. The next point we have is built for real web applications. Neither of those tools is just for simple websites. You can build SaaS platforms, marketplaces, dashboards, and internet tools with both. They are designed for functional web apps with logic, user accounts, and structured data systems. Lastly, we have startup and MVP focused. Both platforms appeal strongly to founders and indie builders who want to move fast. They reduce early engineering overhead and make it possible to launch an MVP without hiring a backend team. Speed to market is one of the main reasons people choose either of these tools. Now, let's move on to their differences. And the first one that we have is AI abstraction versus visual programming. Base44 leans heavily into AI abstraction. You describe what you want, and the system structure backend components like databases and APIs for you behind the scenes. Bubble, in contrast, is visual programming environment where you manually design workflows, logic, and data structures through a drag and drop interface. With Bubble, you are more directly involved in defining how everything works. The next difference we have is their learning curve and control. Base44 aims to simplify decisions and reduce architectural thinking. It feels more guided and lightweight at the beginning, while Bubble can become more complex because you're building detailed workflow logic yourself. That gives you more control, but it also requires more time to truly master the platform. And the last point that we have is ecosystem and maturity. Bubble has been around much longer and has a large plugin marketplace, a strong community, and extensive documentation. You'll find tutorials and third party tools for almost anything, while Base44 is more streamlined and focused on simplifying backend creation through AI rather than building a massive ecosystem around customization. So, the final verdict: if you want deep visual control and are willing to invest time learning a powerful no-code system, Bubble.io offers more flexibility and long-term customization. If you prefer a more abstracted AI-assisted approach that reduces architectural complexity and gets you moving faster, Base44 is cleaner and more guided. So that is what should help you decide between Base44 and Bubble.io. So anyways guys, that will be for this video. I hope this video helped you guys out, and I will be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.